morning, Jeremy. We're here at Bavarian. What are you working on today?
Hello, hello. This is a 2013 X3 that came in here with a bunch of traction control and transfer case faults. We scanned it and found out there's a service bulletin for a lot of the same fault codes this car has, where the wheel speed sensor wiring, this whole harness runs through the firewall to connect to the rest of the harness, and they put the windshield washer tank in the fender back here. The plastic line that takes fluid to the rear washer in the back of the car, they wrapped it up with the wiring harness going through the firewall. And what can happen is those lines can break and allow washer fluid to seep into the harness and corrode the wires. I undid the tape there and found wires were wet. So we're replacing this bit of harness. Come over here and I'll show you what it looks like. Hope you don't mind, Ian, if I take that from you. What we've got here are both the old and the new harnesses pulled through the firewall. What we've got here is the new harness, and there is the old harness. And I have labeled every wire on the new harness. And what I'm doing is going through one wire at a time and connecting the new harness into the main body harness. And to make sure this doesn't happen again, we could leave this plastic line here that they bundled with the wires in, but we're actually going to leave it disconnected and unplug the washer motor so there's no more washer fluid here again, and never deal with this again. It's long work, tedious work, but we're going to do it right.
Awesome. Thanks for your time, Jeremy.
Certainly.